I have to start with a bit of an apology about this morning's assembly because, as you know, we were all kind of expecting it to be the Muppet Day assembly, and obviously that's not happening. So you've kind of got me at short notice. So apologies for that. I know you will be disappointed and upset. I'm disappointed too, but they did have plenty of warnings, so you know, kind of brought it on themselves. But I am sorry. It also means I've not had time to prepare the most exciting assembly this morning for you. So I hope you will forgive me that it's not going to be one of my best. But now, what you probably don't know is during the year, I get literally, well, 20, 30, 40 charities writing to me asking if we consider them for their charities. And I always reply and say, well, it's not my choice, it's you who picks it. So, because I've got to fill in something this morning, I thought what I'd do is put together a video of some of the charities that have written to us asking for support, just for you to have a look. I'm not saying you have to choose these ones, but they might be ones you'd like to consider. Like I say, sorry it's not more exciting, but here we go. Hopefully you'll enjoy some of these.
Then it's gonna be a mud ting.
Shorty, I rep BBK, Monday to Sunday I'm like BBK. Jamie, Skepta, Wiley, Frisco, Maximum, yeah that's BBK. Add me to the list, that's BBK. Can't forget Sam, that's BBK. I seen a lot of guys doing this thing, but none of them flex like BBK.
Students and staff from thought you ought to know.
Get them all! Did you check the staff study? Yeah, it's empty, obviously. Come on, get on!
That is not the Tomlinson approved method. Hang on, that is not the Tomlinson approved method of carrying a chair.
You know the drill! Girls, we present to you the most sophisticated crime gang in the entire Winchester area.
The Swindon Syndicate. All of that sentence does add to the notoriety. Shut up, Oliver.
We have Miss Gandhi, KML,
Alison Oliver.
Cranston,
Mrs. Kelly. Dr. Topley. Miss Sam Boyton. And Mr. Shaw.
That's right. Ones you've all trusted with your precious education.
It's all falling into place.
Sports department, grievous bodily harm.
Those library fines you paid last week.
Embezzled into an offshore account of Cayman.
The biology department have been using the classrooms to house the animals they've been smuggling across international borders for years.
And food tech? Well, they've been selling some rather questionable brownies in the
Sorry I'm late, everyone. Sorry I'm late. Just one quick drama notice for you. Right. Good morning, girls. I am so thrilled to announce the Lower Five Drama Club's performance of A Possum's Tale, an improvised piece devised by the girls about one possum's struggle for a sense of identity in his pack and the world beyond. I've chosen a little extract from the introduction play in order to whet your appetite.
Oh my God, Tracy, help us!
Please, the Lower Five have worked very hard on this. Now, Patrick Possum was no ordinary possum. Yes, he had a long bushy tail like a possum should.
Tracy, you're keeping us in some kind of detention.
You think I care? Rehearsals have been going on for a year. Now, there was something very different about Patrick. He had a secret. Just a little taste there. Now, this has been in rehearsal for a while, and there'll be possum-themed snacks served from 4:30. Hope to see you all there.
Tracy,
no good. The syndicate's found me out. I've been demoted. Got to stand at the bottom in the Roy again. I can't take it. Come and save me. The booby director's school. We can't take it anymore.